you can't see, but and our volcano and H2O with baking soda and citric acid. The first step is place, well, we already did it, so two spoonfuls, right? Okay. Do I just put the little thing in? So a little bit more baking soda. Now we're gonna add the H2O, which is water. That is how you make a volcano eruption. See how there's a little bit? Oh, don't smell, don't smell. You see how it's kind of exploding? That would be, this would happen for real life. This would be real, except it wouldn't have little things. It would actually be like asteroids coming down, but actually they come out of the volcano, like big humongous rocks come out of the volcano, you know, and lava comes down, like what you just saw. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit subscribe and please hit a like on this video. Bye!